just wanted to show my inverter install. So I cut this, just used a Dremel, and I don't see people do this a lot, but it works great. The other side too. Some map storage under there. This is a PowerBright 1100. It's a decent amount of power, and fits under there great. I think it has plenty of venting. You can access the on-off right here. You have power under your seat, or what I did was run this. Also, you can check the voltage real easily. That's nice. Voltage of your house battery. And what I did was just plug in this. We'll plug right here, run it under here, back to there, and then put in a box right there. Oops. So that you then have AC in the main cabin, and that has been real helpful. Used that on the road a lot, and super easy, looks pretty clean.